our presentation is going to be about faults. A fault is a fracture in the rock along which there has been an observable amount of displacement. Terms used to describe faults. The fault plane is the surface along which movement takes place. Throw is the amount of vertical displacement measured vertically between the top of the same bed seen on both sides of the fault. Fault dip is the angle between the fault plane on the horizontal. Hanging wall is the side that lies above the fault. Footwall is the side that lies below the fault plane. Down throw is the side of the fault that has moved down, usually shown with the half arrow pointing downwards, which you can see on my diagram over here. Up throw is the side of the fault that has moved up, and this is shown with half an arrow pointing upwards. So you can see here as well. So this is the up throw side. Here's the fault dip. This is the fault plane, which is where all the action happens. This is the throw, and this is the hanging wall. There are two main types of faults: dip-slip faults and strike-slip faults. Dip-slip faults are faults that move parallel to the direction of the dip plane. These type of faults then divide into subgroups, which are normal faults, grab and end horse, reverse faults, and thrust faults. A normal fault drops rock on one side of the fault down relative to the other side. As you can see, the block on the left is kind of shaped like a foot over here. That's the footwall, and as you can see, the block on the right looks like it's resting or hanging on top of the footwall. That's the hanging wall, which is over there. And because of
Do you want to go back a slide? Yeah.
And because of gravity, the hanging wall is going to move downwards. Faults that move the way you would expect gravity to move them normally are called normal faults. A horse is a portion of land that moves up between two normal faults, and graben is a portion of land which moves down between two normal faults. So this here would be the graben, and that's the horse. Along a reverse fault on a rocky block is pushed up relative to the rock on the other side. When movement happens along a reverse fault, the hanging wall slides upwards. That is the reverse of what we would expect to happen. So in this case, the hanging wall moves upwards. So as you can see, the hanging wall is moving in the reverse direction it should, because what we would expect would be it was supposed to be going down because of gravity, but here it goes up. Thrust faults are the type of reverse faults where the dip is less than 45 degrees. You might think that these pictures are the same, but if you come really closely, you can see that this angle here, the fault dip, is less than 45 degrees, and this is more than 45 degrees. Here are a few animations to show you how the faults move. So the first one is a normal fault. You can see that the hanging wall is moving down and the fault plane. I'm going to pass you over to Shamriaz now.
I'm going to be talking about strike-slip faults. Strike-slip faults are vertical fractures where the blocks have moved horizontally, which is the one this at the top. The tear fault is a vertex. A tear fault can be defined as a relative small-scale local strike-slip fault that are associated with other structures such as faults, thrust faults, and normal faults. In the thrust path, the tear faults strike normal perpendicular to the thrust front and fold axes. As the thrust propagates into the foreland, the tear fault starts to segment the thrust sheets and eventually acts as a lateral boundaries that separate the thrust units. Transform plate boundaries are locations where two plates slide past one another. The fracture zone that forms a transport plate boundary is known as a transform fault. Most transform faults are found in the ozone basin and connects offsets in the mid-ozone ridges. Silicon sides are the polished surface of a fault plane. The polishing occurs when the rocks rub past one another. Silicon lines, on the other hand, refers to the liner scratches which occur on such a surface as a projection on one side of the fault. Scratches are grouped. Scratches grow onto the other. The last fault I'm going to talk about is fault breccia. This fault is found along the fault plane and consists of fragments broken from the rocks at either side of the fault plane. The rock fragments are large and angular and made up of competent rocks. Thank you for listening.
That was brilliant. Thank you both very much indeed.